Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about Commvault job streams. Job streams in Commvault are logical data channels that connect client data to the MediaAgent during backup and restore operations. You can also say they are network streams running from the client to the MediaAgent. They play a critical role in determining how data is transferred, processed, and written to storage media. They also represent the parallel data transfer operations for a backup or restore job. The number of concurrent job streams that can run is determined by the configuration on the MediaAgent, storage policy, and the underlying storage infrastructure. Let's discuss how job streams work. I feel it would be easy to discuss in kind of phases. Data reader phase. Data is read from the source, that is client, using data readers. Multiple data readers can be configured per sub-client to enable parallel read operations. Data stream phase. After reading, the data is processed by the backup agent and sent to the MediaAgent as data streams. For file system agents, data streams are generated by the data readers. For database applications, for example, Oracle, SQL, the application's streaming capability is used. Job stream phase. Job streams are the actual network streams that transfer data from the client to the MediaAgent. The number of job streams is limited by the configuration on the MediaAgent and storage policy. Device stream phase. The MediaAgent divides the incoming data into chunks and writes them to storage using device streams. The number of device streams is determined by the number of available writers or drives in the storage library. Let's discuss the configuration at various levels and how they may affect the number of job streams and their behavior. MediaAgent level. On the MediaAgent, the maximum number of concurrent streams is set by the maximum number of parallel data transfer operations parameter. It limits the number of streams a MediaAgent can handle concurrently. If this value is lower than the storage policy or library limits, it becomes the bottleneck. Storage policy level. On the storage policy, the number of device streams should match the number of available drives or writers. It sets the upper limit for concurrent jobs using that policy. If the number of jobs exceeds this value, additional jobs will wait until streams are available. Disk library level. On the disk library, the total number of mount path writers across all mount paths determines the maximum device streams. Tape library level. On the tape library, one device stream per drive, unless multiplexing is enabled. The lowest configured stream value across all components, MediaAgent, storage policy, and library, determines the maximum number of concurrent streams. The other factors that may affect the job streams are deduplication database streams. The maximum number of parallel data transfer operations for deduplication database can limit streams for deduplicated storage policies. This setting takes precedence over device streams on the storage policy. Sub-client data readers. The number of data readers configured per sub-client affects how many streams can be generated from the source. Multiplexing factor, for tape libraries, determines how many data streams can be written to a single tape drive. Increasing multiplexing can allow more streams, but may impact restore performance. Network and bandwidth throttling. Bandwidth limits at the job, client, or MediaAgent level can throttle streams, affecting throughput and concurrency. Resource contention and job prioritization. If resources, like streams, drives, writers, are exhausted, jobs will queue or wait. Job priorities can affect, as jobs acquire streams first. aux copy, and verification jobs. These operations also consume streams from the same pool as backup and restore jobs, impacting overall concurrency. Additional settings and advanced parameters. Advanced settings, for example, stream randomization, stream distribution thresholds, and custom registry keys, can further tune or restrict stream allocation. Lastly, job stream high watermark. This is a global limit for the number of simultaneous job streams in the COM and it has a configurable threshold. It is a control mechanism to prevent overloading the COM serve and associated resources. The high watermark is the upper limit for the number of job streams that the job manager can run simultaneously across the COM. It is set as a numeric value, set under job management. The default maximum supported is 3,000 streams. When the number of running jobs reaches the high watermark, any additional jobs are placed in a pending state until streams become available. If the high watermark is set too low, jobs may be unnecessarily queued, reducing throughput and backup performance. If set too high, it can overload the COM serve, causing performance degradation or failures. So, set the high watermark based on your environment's capacity and performance requirements. You need to monitor job streams, as they are essential for optimizing backup and restore performance. Monitoring and adjusting streams can help resolve performance bottlenecks. Proper configuration ensures efficient resource utilization and prevents resource contention. We will end this video here. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if not already done so. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.